Hey guys, today we are going to see how to multiply and divide two tensors. So we have here two constants which are vectors, and now let's multiply them. So it's just a simple operation. Y is equal W is equal to Y asterisk Z, or you can do W is equal to TF dot multiply, and which two things you want to multiply. So let's say Z, Y and Z, and let's print Z, W, sorry, and there will be a element wise multiplication, like 1 into 3, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 1, 3. Okay, and then let's divide them. Same, W is equal to Y backslash Z, or TF dot divide, and print W, and yes, 1 upon 3.33, 2 upon 2 1, 3 upon 1 3 point, yeah, and data type is float. So this is how you multiply and divide tensors. Thanks for watching. Comment if you have any questions, and do subscribe, like, share. Keep coding, stay curious.